Okay guys, we're going to attack from the bottom half guard from this situation. So look, I'm here, I'm creating this frame. I really want to get this underhook, but every time I try to go for it, they close off the space. They keep just pushing down my knee shield. I don't want to lose this position, so what am I going to do? I'm going to come up to my free arm elbow. When I do that, I'm going to slip my hand as deep into their collar as possible from this position. So it still acts like a frame. So I'm here, I come up to my elbow, I slip this in, so it keeps their weight off me. So I'm using my knee shield still, I'm still using this forearm grip. So what I'm going to do, once I start to feel them push into me, they're trying to make some pressure, I'm going to kick that leg out. I'm going to pull their head towards my waist, slip my arm over. I'm going to use the elbow, the hand that corresponds with the arm that I'm on. From here, I'm going to grab the outside of their pant leg. I'm going to push off the foot of that leg that I just kicked straight. I'm going to start rolling, turning to half guard, and finishing in that from top position. Okay guys, we're going to be attacking from bottom half guard here. I'm trying to get this underhook in, but they're doing a really good job defending it. So what I'm going to do is take advantage of the fact I can open up their collar. I'm going to use my top arm, reach as deep as possible as I come up to my elbow, the opposite arm. From here, as soon as I get my arm as deep as possible, I grip inside their collar. I'm going to kick that leg that was using as a knee shield straight. I'm going to pull their head down towards my waist. I'm going to loop my arm over the top of their head. That's ensuring that that choke is starting to set already. I'm going to use the hand of the elbow that I'm on, grab the outside of their pant leg, the foot that I kicked free, I'm going to push and start to roll. Landing top half guard, finishing the choke from here.